Can you give it some water? Hmm? Try to give it.
It's too sandy.
Pick some of the liquid in the cap. And then when he opens his mouth. No, pour it in his mouth. Don't on his head. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. See? Look, he drank it. You drank it.
I wonder how did he get over there?
He's drinking your vitamin water. I can't see.
Help it?
He's drinking it.
Some more?
Yeah, give it a little bit more.
No, it doesn't want any more.
Did you drink it? Did you pour some?
Yeah, he doesn't want any more. His mouth is on.
Okay, come on, man.